Many parents face challenges with disposable diapers, having to put up with the high costs. It is estimated that low-income families spend to a tune of $730,000 a year on disposable diapers. Literally, that means that a family uses 2 disposable diapers a day. The complications with many disposable diaper types, such as posing threats to babies. Some have perfumes and other chemicals which can lead to health problems. These also pose a threat to the environment, as many diapers are flame retardants and do not degrade. But for Valerie Mugai, she opted to find a solution to address all these challenges. She calls them Kijani diapers, a Swahili word to mean green, and is teaching Ugandan women how to make them. One of these ladies is Mercy Adeke, who is also a sales assistant of Kijani diapers. She advises fellow mothers not to be lazy and fear to wash the reusable diapers.
Usually I'll say the first babies or the newborn babies there is a black poop that comes out. So when I used on it, the black poop really stained on it. And I was so scared, I thought I would not clean, it wouldn't get clean. I was like, oh, I can't wash this, I'm going to throw it away, I can't really do it. And my mom told me, no, let's wash it and see if it gets clean, so that we use that to explain to our customers. So when we washed it, it really became so clean.
These diapers can be used up to when a baby outgrows using diapers at around 3 to 4 years. Valerie started making these diapers in 2008 to reduce costs on diapers for her firstborn child, but shortly it turned into a business venture as well.
I was pregnant with my first child. My husband and I were planning to move to the US for him to start graduate school, and tuition was very expensive. We didn't know how we were going to manage the tuition and a baby, so I started looking online for ways to save money on a baby. And that's when I discovered Modern Cloth Diapers.
She now has 3 children and boasts of offering high-quality cloth diapers.
My second child was born in 2012. I made all of the diapers for him. I also started making some for friends as baby gifts. We moved to Uganda in 2012 when my son was just 5 months old. And I had some diaper fabrics left over, so I also brought them with me here. And then when friends would have babies, I would make nappies for them as gifts. Then their friends would see them, they would ask if they could also place orders, so I started getting orders for them.
Future plans are to expand the business to cover the regional market. Opting for reducible diapers could just be the way to go, something that is already being used in other countries, as opposed to producing and shipping in billions of disposable diapers. The greatest challenge to Valerie's work is the high cost of materials.
Here in Uganda, there was a textile industry in Kasese, and in Kenya as well, there was a textile industry. But over time, these industries have collapsed. And I think we need to bring back those industries, because that's where we get these raw materials.
Valerie's dream is to see more people use redisposable diapers, as she believes with disposable diapers you are literally throwing money away. Report compiled by Sarah Chisache for Urban TV.